Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing a loud source, record a clean, high-gain file, or use a mic with a boosted preamp so the waveform peaks without clipping. Once done, open your Roblox experience settings and enable text-to-speech or connect the API key, because TTS volume depends on input amplitude and permissions. Make sure the output sample rate is standard 44. 1 kHz, and set a conservative volume multiplier between 1, 5, and 3, 0 to avoid distortion while increasing perceived loudness. Now implement the pipeline inside Roblox. Assign the TTS audio to a sound object and set max distance low with linear roll-off so the voice stays loud nearby. Then apply EQ using audio service or process the file before importing. Boost mid-highs around 2.6 kHz to increase intelligibility and slightly cut sub-bass to reduce muddiness. Once done, place the sound in a dedicated sound group and raise that group's SFX volume to keep the voice louder than ambient effects. Finish by normalizing the TTS audio to around -3 decibels and apply a soft limiter to prevent clipping, because loudness without control causes distortion. Once done, test in Roblox on PC, mobile, and console using the same sound group settings, and tweak the sound service global volume per platform to match. If you hear crackle or harshness, reduce the volume multiplier, add gentle compression to tame peaks, or reprocess the source with less preamp gain to eliminate digital clipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.